Amma Respected teachers, guests and dear audience, first of all I welcome you all with Islamic greeting. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we are here to celebrate India's 77th Independence Day. I would like to shed some light on this special day. Every year on 15 August, Independence Day is celebrated as a national holiday in India when people remember the long phase of our nation's independence from British rule. Dear listener, in early 17th century, when the British disguised as traders established bases with an eye on India's wealth and land, Shah Waliullah Muhaddis Dahlvi Rahmatullahi alayhi was the first person who apprehended the danger. He chalked out a plan of complete revolution. Shah Waliullah is the front runner of this field. Later ulama Devan played very important role in freedom movement. On August 15, 1947, India gained independence after a series of movements in which many freedom fighters sacrificed their lives. After independence, on 15 August 1947, Jawaharlal Nehru became the first Indian Prime Minister to raise the national flag at the Red Fort near Delhi's Lahore Gate. By unfurling the national flag and singing the national anthem, students, teachers, parents and other individuals come together to celebrate Independence Day. The Indian Prime Minister in the national capital New Delhi at Red Fort also hoist our national flag. After that, the salute is given by firing 21 guns and a helicopter shower tricolor flowers on the flag. The colors in our flag represent different things. Saffron signifies courage and sacrifice. White signifies peace and truth. Green signifies faith. In the center of our flag, there is an Ashok Chakra that contains 24 evenly distributed spikes. On this special day, we recall the great sacrifice after independence of movement. Shaykhul Hind Hazrat Maulana Mahmud Hasan Deobandi, Shaykhul Islam Hazrat Maulana Hussain Ahmad Madani, Maulana Qasim Nanotwi, Maulana Muhammad Ali Jawhar, Maulana Ubaidullah Sindhi, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, and in the same way Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh and many others for their unforgettable contribution to India's independence. We pray Allah to fulfill their dreams of a peaceful and united India. Thank you so much.